There. Today I want to talk to you about how to make the most of templates in Canva. So Canva has thousands of templates that you can choose from, but what I have found and what I've found with my clients is that can be overwhelming to see so many options at once. So I'm going to tell you some things that I do to get rid of the overwhelm. The first thing I do is I make sure I have my brand kit set up. And if you don't have Canva Pro and don't have a brand kit, I show you how to set up a brand kit doc in one of my previous emails that I will make sure you have a link to. So here I am on the home page of Canva, and if I come down here to templates, it's going to open up this page where I can see that there are so many different options. So what I need to know first is what type of document I'm trying to create. Am I trying to create a slide presentation or Instagram post or a flyer? So I need to know that first in order to know where to go from here. So you can look through here and try to find some inspiration, and I'll show you what I would do if I was looking to create something like a flyer. So here are some inspiration from what I was creating recently, which was a flyer. So here I can go through here and pick one that I want to try. So just by clicking on it, it's going to say customize this template. So I have this template here. And now if I have my brand kit set up, I have my logo here. So it's as simple as adding my logo, just changing the background color to something that's in my brand kit. I'm just going to change it to white. This is a black color. I'm going to change it to the black that I have in my brand kit. I want to change some of the colors here to be on brand for me. So I'm going to click on this brown color here. I'm going to change that to the red in my brand, and then I'm just do change all and see how that works. It didn't quite work with the color of hair, so I'm going to go back a step, and I might need to manually go through these and change them. So I would just go here, click the red, see how that goes. Here, I'm probably going to change her shirt color, so I see that's black. Change that here. Change her shirt color again. Oops. Try that again. It's this one. Here. So I go through each one of these and change colors. Now I want to change the colors of the fonts, and I want to change them to my brand fonts. So I have this selected here. I want to change this to my font heading font, which is Prada. So I'm going to select Gotham. I'm going to scroll down here to my brand kit, and I'm going to hit Prada, and then I'm going to say change all. So everything that was that Gotham is now changed to Prada. And I can look this over. I can always go back a step just by hitting undo. I think I like just having the title like that. And then I think I'm going to change this black to my brand color. And now I'll come in here and I'll add my info, change all this. I'm going to check on the color of this font. So with the font selected, I'm going to come down here, change it to my black color, and then I can say change all. That'll change all the font colors. So when you're doing a change all for color, it doesn't apply to fonts. So you have to go in and change the font color as well. So that is one way that I found a template on Canva and I made it my own. Something else I do when I am creating in Canva and I'm searching for a template that I want to use, I am looking for maybe a particular one. But if I come across something that I like that I think I might use in the future, I just go to these three dots here and I hit star. Anything here, hit star. Okay, so let's say I wasn't ready to create anything that I had starred that day, but when I come back and I'm ready to create something new in Canva, I'm going to go to my starred folder and I'm going to create from there. So let me show you how to get to your starred folder. From the home screen in Canva, you're going to go to Projects, and you are going to see your folders here. The starred folder is sitting right here, so I'm going to click on starred. All of my elements that I've starred, all of my templates that I've starred, any of the photos that I found that are starred, they're all right here. So you can see I have lots of different types of things saved here. Now, when I'm ready to create with this starred template, I come here, I click on it, I say use this template, and now I can do just what I did before using my brand kit. I can go drop in a picture of me, change the fonts, change the colors. Anytime I don't like the way it changed my colors, I can always go back one step. And there is the shortcut as well, right underneath that, Control Z or Command Z. I can also hit on my colors, I can hit shuffle, and I can keep shuffling and see how it chooses the brand colors for me. So that's another way that I use templates in Canva. Let's say you didn't have your brand kit and you wanted to use the brand kit doc that I showed you how to create in that other video. We're going to open up your brand kit doc and we're going to copy what we have right here. Now we're going to go back to our starred folder and we're going to grab a new template. So I'm just going to grab this one, I'm clicking on it, use this template. Make sure you name it and add it to a folder, stay organized in Canva. So now that I have that Canva doc, my brand kit doc copied, I'm going to paste it in this same file. So what I did here is I just added a page with this plus, and now I am going to paste my brand kit doc here. So let me show you what happens when you add your brand kit doc into that same page. If I click on here, click on the text and go here to the Lato text, it will say any of the fonts that are in this document. So you can see here, there's the Lato, but here are my document fonts. That's the Gotham that I brought in. That's the Prada that I have. So now I'm just going to try Prada, then I can bump the size down. I can change the color while it is selected, change all. Now I can change this, let's work together. I click on that, click on the fonts. These are all the document fonts. I can change to that. Now I can change all of my Lato to the Gotham bold if I want to. I don't think I want to have a bold throughout everything, but I am going to change the color right here. So these are all the colors in my document. So you can see all of my neutral brand colors right here. And then here's that red. Let's see how that looks. Now I can come in here and change this font. And I can do a change all there. I could also come into my starred folder and find some photos that I had saved. Of course, I'll change the text. And I can add my logo there. All right, I hope this little tutorial has helped you to better utilize the templates that are on Canva and have more fun creating designs for your business. All right, we'll see you next time.